Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can invite friends on your Roblox game. So let's say we are going to start our playing game this one. So you just need to go over here, this is Sheen off, and then just click this one and Roblox. I will shift to the Roblox and then I'll click yes, and it will be open in here into the Roblox app. As you can see, it's one, so it will take a couple of minutes. So once it's done, then eventually we will get the options. So I'll click this one, and once I did, let's say I'm going to select another one, so I will find it on easy one. So I think this one is the quite good, so I'll click this one, and once it's done, it will take time to properly reload. Once it properly reload, then eventually we will get the options like there. You just need to click over here and click your invite friend. Once it's done, you just need to search their name, and then eventually you will able to add your friends in your game. If you think this video was helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.